Hello. In this video, we will discuss about the condensation polymerization reaction or step growth polymerization reaction. Condensation polymerization reaction or step growth polymerization reaction, because here the monomers, two different monomers with two different functional groups are used in the preparation of polymers. Here in this polymerization reaction, two monomers join together by losing of water molecules, alcohol, HCl, etc. and result into the formation of polyamide, polyester class of molecules. First we discuss about the dacron. Dacron, as the name indicates, deca means 10. 10 carbon containing polymers, that's why it is called as dacron. Here 10 carbon means there are 6 carbon, there are total 10 carbon is present in a monomer units. Here dacron is made up of ethylene glycol. It is made up of ethylene glycol, ethane 1,2-diol. React with benzene 1,6-dicarboxylic acid. It is also called as terephthalic acid. Ethylene glycol react with terephthalic acid. Hydrogen atom from the glycol group and OH group from the carboxylic acid undergo the polymerization reaction, loses the water molecules and result in the formation of O, CH2, CH2O, C double bond O. O, C double bond O linkage is called as ester linkage is formed. C6H5, C double bond O repeated n time. One can count the carbon 1, 2, 3, 6 carbon of the benzene, 9 and 1, 10. So there total 10 carbons are there. That's why it is called as dacron. That's why it is called as dacron. And because of this consists of the 10 carbon containing units, they are called as dacron, and it is also called as pteryline. Pteryline, terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. The combining of two monomers are there in the name of the polymers, terephthalic acid, benzene 1,6-dicarboxylic acid and ethylene glycol, ethane 1,2-diols are combined together and result into the formation of polyester class of polymers, which is called as pteryline or dacron. It is a kind of condensation polymer. Here you can see that one alcohol and carboxylic acid. Ethylene glycol consists of alcohol group and carboxylic acid consists of COOH group, terephthalic acid. These two are combined together. Next, polyamides. As we already discussed in a previous video, first and most important one is nylon 6,6. As the name indicates, 6 carbon atom from adipic acid. Adipic acid is a carboxylic acid group is present, and ethylene glycol, hexamethylene diamine, they consist of amine group. So carboxylic acid and amine groups are there. OH group from the carboxylic acid and hydrogen from amide are removed in the 5553 Kelvin temperature at high pressure. They loses the water molecule and CONH linkage is formed. This CONH linkage, that's why it is called as amide class. CONH linkage are there, that's why it is called as amide category of polymers, and this result into the formation of nylon 6,6. 6 carbon atom from adipic acid and 6 carbon atom from hexamethylene diamine. Hexamethylene diamine, that's why the name nylon 6,6 is given to the polymers. This 6,6 indicates the number of carbon. Where they are used in the making of the sheets, bristle for the brushes and in the textile industry. तो डे टू डे यूजेस में हम जो टूथब्रश यूज के जो ब्रिसल्स रहते हैं, they are made up of nylon 6,6. Then next one is nylon 6. Yes, this time you are right. Nylon 6 means only 6 carbon is present in the monomer. Yes sir. And the polymer is also made up of the 6 carbon units, and it is made up of caprolactam. It is made up of caprolactam ring. You can count that number of carbon present on a caprolactam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Caprolactam itself a polyamide class of monomers. This caprolactam undergo the heating at 533 to 543 Kelvin temperature, loses the water molecule. This bond between this 1 and 6 get break down and C double bond O, CH2 NH and repeated n times. That's why it is called as nylon 6. And nylon 6, they are used in the preparation of tire coats, fabrics, ropes, etc. In all this preparation they are used. The next category of the step growth polymerization is polyesters. As we discussed earlier, first one is Dacron or Terylene. After Dacron and Terylene, that is about the one more category of step growth polymerization, that is phenol formaldehyde resin. Phenol formaldehyde resin. You can see that in the phenol OH group is there, and the formaldehyde HC11OH formaldehyde group is there. In the presence of H plus acid as a catalyst or OH minus, OH group of the phenol is ortho para directing, so cis CH2OH group may attach at the ortho position. Hydroxymethyl phenol, 2-hydroxymethyl phenol or 2,4-dihydroxymethyl phenol or 2,4,6-trihydroxymethyl phenol. So first one, in the first step, they undergo the electrophilic substitution reaction. Phenol react with formaldehyde and result into the formation of ortho-hydroxymethyl phenol, ortho-para dihydroxymethyl phenol or ortho-para ortho-dash trihydroxymethyl phenol. Among these, if ortho 2-hydroxymethyl phenol undergo the polymerization reaction, they are linearly connected with each other. OH group from the methyl alcohol group and hydrogen from the adjacent phenol group undergo the polymerization reaction and they linearly connected with each other. This linear connection is result into the formation of Novalec. They result into the formation of Novalec. Whenever linear connectivity is there with the ortho position, this result into the formation of Novalec, and Novalec are widely used in a paint. We know that there is a one company which is famous as Nova. Clear? And now, in Novalec units, if para position undergo the substitution, then it result into the form. Novalec on heating with the formaldehyde further undergo the cross-linking to form an infusible solid mass called bakelite. पैरा पोजीशन पे फॉर्मल्डिहाइड के साथ हीटिंग करेंगे, देन यू कैन सी दैट 1,2 ऑर्थो और पैरा पोजीशन इज लिंक विद द पैरा पोजीशन ऑफ नेक्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड दिस रिजल्ट इनटू द क्रॉस लिंकिंग एंड फॉर्म ए bakelite. Bakelite is used in a combs, phonograph records, electrical switches, handle of the utensils, etc. And this is the one of the most important polymers. So Novalec is a linear structure, whereas bakelite is a branch structure, and both of them are made up of phenol formaldehyde resin. Phenol formaldehyde resin. After that, the next one is melamine. Melamine formaldehyde resin. Under the melamine formaldehyde resin, the melamine, 3 nitrogen atom is present inside the ring and 3 outside the ring. So total 6 carbon containing melamine molecules react with formaldehyde, then is form of melamine formaldehyde intermediate. This melamine formaldehyde intermediate undergo the polymerization reaction, then hydrogen atom from NH group and oxygen from the aldehyde group, OH group from the aldehyde undergo the polymerization and result into the melamine polymers. It's result into the formation of melamine polymers. This is all about 4 different kind of condensation polymerization reaction.